Hi guys, welcome back. I have a weird illness right now, so it's a little hard to talk, so I'm going to breeze through this. This is my quick glam, also like my illness sick day glam. This is like barely what I could get through. So if you want to see how I did this, then please keep watching. I know I sound terrible, but I'm sorry. I'm gonna go get better right now, so please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media accounts. All right, let's get to it. I'm breezing over my face routine because I feel like I've done it in my last videos already, so I haven't changed anything up. For my eyes, I'm going to be using the JamesCharles palette. And I'm going to be going in with this camel-y shade right here called Punch Me. And I'm going to take a MAC 217 blending brush with no product on it. And I'm trying to wing it out a little bit. And I'm going to take a bigger blending brush and blend any harshness. And you can honestly use any neutral brown shade. And on a BH Cosmetics number 9, I'm going to be taking that Punch Me shade and putting it on the lower lash line. Has anybody else been playing Ariana Grande's album on repeat? I'm sure they have. That song Ghostin' is just soul-wrenching, heart-breaking. It's so beautiful though, I can't. Okay. I want to deepen it up just a little bit. So I'm going to go in with the shade Tea, which is like a dark cappuccino brown. And this is a BH Cosmetics number 10 brush. I can't remember the last time I did a neutral colored eye. Okay, and then I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics number 11 angled liner brush and dip into the black shade Spooky and do a shadow liner. I would be talking more, but my voice is just not working with me. I tried to attempt a wing using the shadow, but I don't like it. Now I'm just using that Tea shade and putting it on my lower lash line. I'm going to take the big champagne shade. It's called Face. I think I'm going to use a bright eye pencil. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. This is just a sample that I got from BeautyCon. And I gotta say, this is a good mascara. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. And this is a BH Cosmetics number 2. And for blush, I'm going to be using MAC Peaches. And this is one of my Sephora collection brushes. This is my favorite blush at the moment. And brush. For highlight, I'm going to use Kylie Cosmetics Snow Angel. It's my MAC Strip Down. And then I'm going to use Too Faced Skinny Dipping over top. Oh, they look huge. I'm going to try Kylie Jenner No Peeking in the center. Or maybe all over. This is the finished look. It is probably a little bit more than anybody else's like simple quick glam, but I think it looks kind of like effortless and just like you touched up a little bit, not like you spent the last hour getting ready when you probably did. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this was sorry, it's really hard to get through this. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. I'm gonna go try to nurse this illness. And thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media accounts.